Welcome to Lifecraft Engineering, where innovation meets excellence. At Lifecraft Engineering, we specialize in manufacturing and executing turnkey projects for the food and beverage and allied industries. Our commitment to quality and ethical practices has earned us a stellar reputation both domestically and internationally. With a relentless focus on safety, thorough inspections, and efficient operations, we ensure that every product we deliver meets the highest standards of excellence. Our team of experts leverages cutting-edge technology and technical expertise to design optimized plant solutions that cater to your specific needs, ensuring complete customer satisfaction. As a leading solutions provider, Lifecraft Engineering is dedicated to delivering unparalleled product quality and fostering long-term relationships with our clients. Our innovative approach and unwavering dedication have secured our position as a trusted partner in the industry. Join us on our journey of excellence. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about